right behind you. You got him?
Get out of there, Eric!
He thought he saw me go like this, and he was on me. Thank you.
Yeah.
He's right on the back corner of the. Oh, are you back in?
No, my tank's empty.
Here. Look, take the safety off. He's right on the back. He's on the passenger side tire of the. He's trying to shoot us from underneath.
Oh yeah,
I see his pants there. Oh, he's coming. Woo! Woo! All right, behind the red car. Behind the red car.
In the print.
Oh, 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 hit, hit. Do you need another mag? Do you need another mag? Look, that sounds like lasers, man.
Huh?
Yours sounds like lasers. Oh, hit! Hit! Red building! Behind the red building! He's in the building right in front of the red car. Right over here.
Gotta go.
Blue building's gone! Oh, hit! There's one guy in the red building. Okay. All I see is the one guy in the red. Oh! You got me! He actually got me.
I don't know how many shots you fired at me, but you got me.
At least one of them hit you. Well, when you're shooting, when you're
got one on the knuckle and one on the arm right at the same time.
Oh my God, you were like 5 seconds away from being going. You got.
yeah, the tall grass, it makes it a little uncertain.
Yeah, no, that's good. I haven't shot during the thing. I never get that. I thought, what is this grass?
Sorry, Eric, I forgot to bring your bomb.
What? I was in there trying to play
Worked
mag.
well.
That's all right. This mag's empty. This mag's full.
landmine gun.
All right, where am I putting the full ones? That's
Arrow
always
dog's on, safety's on.
Sorry, Chuck. I want to go. I want to
Trying to get it running.